Welcome aboard Escapade. I'm Jenna, and this is my husband Mike. Along with our three salty sidekicks, Rue, Daisy, and Piper, we cruise aboard our 47-foot Nordhavn, exploring the Pacific Northwest and beyond. Most recently, the Inside Passage to Alaska. Thanks for being here. We hope you enjoy the journey. Last time aboard Escapade, we diagnosed and repaired our broken windlass, toured Sitka and some of its attractions, shared meals with some new friends, and then anchored at Piper Island, Haines's Bay, Elk Cove, and Baranof Warm Springs. Today, we pull the anchor up and continue our journey to Red Bluff Bay. Heading to Red Bluff Bay. There's the red rocks or red bluffs in the background. The striking red colors come from the iron-rich rocks that form deep within the earth. Over millions of years, exposure to the elements caused the iron to oxidize, essentially rusting the rock, and creating the dramatic red bluffs that gave Red Bluff Bay its name. Along the way, we catch a glimpse of two orcas swimming close to the shoreline. It's always a thrill to see these amazing creatures in the wild. The entrance into the anchorage is long and narrow. The combination of towering red bluffs and beautiful waterfalls is absolutely breathtaking as we make our way in. Actually a really pretty waterfall, isn't it? Once inside, we drop the hook and send the drone up to capture the stunning beauty of this incredible place. Just across from where we've anchored, we spot a grizzly bear that looks like it's just come out of hibernation, skinny and slowly scouring the shoreline in search of nourishment. We drop the dinghy and head in the opposite direction of the Grizzly to find a beach for the girls. It's a bit mucky and swampy, but the dogs don't seem to mind one bit. They're happily exploring and once again getting their land legs.
Hey, no! Piper! Oy, that dog, she has too much energy. Settle! Settle down!
Piper! Oh, jeez! Piper, calm down.
All I can say is there better not be any bears on this side. There's a bear on the other side. The bear is over on that side. We filmed one. Good girl, Rue.
The next morning, we're off to Tebenkof Bay, located about 70 miles northwest of Port Protection. The weather is clear, the skies are blue, and we're treated to flat seas and gorgeous scenery along the way.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go. Oh, it's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul. That it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. At this moment, it's time to tell where we should go. But how can I be sure? Can we change it? The truth about our common soul. Say we know it's real, something to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our own.
All right, check out this weather. We woke up to blue skies after days of rain and gray and overcast. It's July 3rd and looks like it's going to be nice for July 4th. A lot of people are in Sitka for 4th of July, so that'll be great for them to be able to have their fireworks show and all the different festivities. We are traveling to Egg Bay today, primarily because our dogs really don't love the fireworks. It upsets them, and so we try to go to quiet places. If we're in the US, we go to Canada, and we just try to find quiet places. In any case, it's gorgeous, and we're actually squinting today. So there is our July 3rd update. The winds are even light enough for us to send the drone up while underway and capture some footage of Escapade from above. It's a pretty daring feat for us newbie drone pilots. After about 5.5 hours, we arrived at Tebenkof Bay just off Kuiu Island, one of the larger islands in southeast Alaska. We enjoy a beautiful sunset as another incredible day in Alaska comes to an end. With calm waters around us and more adventures waiting ahead, we settle in for the evening and prepare for the next day's travels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure aboard Escapade.